Cinder standing outside. Tis really snowing. Hooray! Hello, Cinder baby. Yeah. Cookie. Pretty girl. Ochito. It's blizzarding, Mommy. I know. But you got your good banky on. I'll get your little cookie. Luna just has a sheet on because she's very furry. But Cinder's already started shedding a lot, so she's all bundled up like a little princess she is. Good morning. Ooh, we had quite the little mini blizzard yesterday. I got drifts. I haven't gone out and looked at anything. Sure is a beautiful morning. No. She's hilarious. Good morning, Luna. What a beautiful morning. Oh, hope I can get out of my driveway. Probably gonna have to plow. Looks like the plows have already been here this morning. I'm gonna have to check the road. Oh, there's a drift. Oh, I can get through here. Hey, 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 hey! No, biting my calf. Yours. Not hard, but you know, trying to move me along. Apparently, I'm not. Hey, Kitty Ann. This is where I need the beeper. Oh, look at the snow all plastered on the door. Oh boy. There we go. Oh. Let's see.